In this video, we're going to work with the object ordering command that's part of the object drop-down arrow. Ordering is used when you want to change the position of an object basically in its layer, because as you insert objects onto a page, by default everything is on top of everything else. So in this case, I've got these 5 circles. The red circle was the first thing on the page. It is behind everything else. Whereas the blue was the last thing on the page, so it's in front of everything else. I can use the order to move those positions. Maybe I want the blue to be behind the yellow. So I'm going to click on the blue circle, click on the object drop-down arrow. Part of the commands is order. So I'm going to send backward. When I say send backward, it is now behind the yellow. So I can use the backward to move it back and forth that way. I might take the purple and say I want the purple in front of the green. So I can again click on the object drop down arrow, say order, and say bring forward. So now the purple's in front of the green. So the send backward and send forward allows you to go step by step. It does it one layer at a time. But maybe I want the yellow to be all the way behind the red. Well, I could come in here and go to order and say send backward and do that 5 times until it's in the back, or I can use the command that says send to back. When I say send to back, it makes it the very last object, the very furthest back on the page. There is a command in there as well that is bring all the way to the forward, so bring to front. So it makes it the front object. But that is the order command. Very convenient when you're trying to move things around and put things behind other things. That's where the order comes into play.